We got another one. Oh, severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
Oh,
for
snap.
north central Teller County in central Colorado, northwestern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 4 p.m.
It's like in the...
It's
It's
3:36
kind of like in
p.m.
Palmer
A
Lake.
severe thunderstorm was located near Woodland Park, or 21 miles northwest of Colorado
Woodland
Springs,
Park.
moving north at 45 miles an hour.
Snap.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, this is bad.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
might go in the news
Woodland
soon.
Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central and east central Colorado.
Yeah, this is crazy.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, I'm in Black Forest. I'm good. Well, I'm in Colorado Springs. Kind of. I forget.
The tornado warning for central Teller and west.
Snap. I don't think it's not gonna be on the TV. Yeah, I don't think it's not gonna be on the TV. But here's the weather right now. Oh, snap. Yeah, this is gonna get worse. But I think it's somewhere right here, and I'm here. So, yep, I knew it. I knew it. On TV. Here we go. What I told you? What did I told you this whole time?
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Teller County in central Colorado, northwestern El Paso County
Hold on.
in east central Colorado until 4 p.m. It's 3:36 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Woodland Park, or 21 miles northwest of Colorado Springs, moving north at 45 miles an hour.
Damn.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodland Park.
Woodland Park?
A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central and east central Colorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The judge has ruled that Lori Davis will not face the death penalty if she's found guilty, although her husband Chad could be sentenced to death.
Yeah, severe thunderstorm warning in my area.